You think cleaning kills germs? Not quite. There's a huge difference between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting, and using the wrong one could be putting your family at risk. Most people use these words interchangeably, but they're completely different. Cleaning just removes dirt you can see. Sanitizing reduces germs to safe levels. Disinfecting actually kills germs and viruses. Using the wrong method means you're not as protected as you think. Here's what each one does. Cleaning removes dirt, dust, and debris using soap and water. It makes things look clean, but doesn't kill germs. Sanitizing lowers germs to levels considered safe by health codes. Perfect for food contact surfaces like cutting boards and dining tables. Disinfecting kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses using EPA-registered products, essential for bathrooms, doorknobs, and high-touch areas. The secret? Be sure to clean first before sanitizing or disinfecting, because dirt blocks these products from working. Always check the label for EPA registration and follow directions. Contact time matters for true disinfection. Use cleaning for everyday dirt. Use sanitizing for food prep areas and kids' toys. Use disinfecting for bathrooms, sick rooms, and during flu season. Remember, clean first, then sanitize or disinfect for maximum protection. Confused about which method to use where? Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332. Visit bearbroscleaning.com.